Hey guys, Vladimir here with Desktop Makes. I've got an exciting announcement. I've spent the last few months working on a new course and I'm finally ready to launch it. It's called Foundations of 3D Design, a project-based course using Autodesk Fusion. I had one goal in mind in creating this course. I wanted to create a design course that was fun and engaging. I really enjoy designing my own models in Fusion and 3D printing those designs, and wanted to create something that captured all the fun, excitement, and creativity involved without all the frustrations that it can bring. So I implement this by taking you on a journey with me. In Foundations of 3D Design, we build our own little world. We build a little town called Layerville, where each model teaches valuable design concepts and techniques. You start with a simple house. Draw its outline, add its walls, craft its doors and windows, and watch it rise from your sketch like a tiny story coming to life. Then you'll add more: trees with personality, brick walls with texture, a historic clock tower, and a proud town hall standing at the center of it all. Every model you create is both a lesson in Fusion and a piece of a growing world, a world that you build. Along the way, you'll learn all the essential tools and techniques: clean sketches, extrudes, revolves, fillets, offsets, projecting geometry, mirroring features, multi-body modeling, and building smart parametric designs that hold together beautifully even when you decide to come back and make changes. And the best part, you'll finally understand not just what to do, but why we do it. I've taught thousands of students how to design for 3D printing, and I've seen how powerful, hands-on, fun, creative projects can be for building confidence and skill while keeping the student excited and engaged. This course is for beginners, makers, hobbyists, educators, and anyone who wants to explore 3D design in a way that feels meaningful, creative, and genuinely fun. By the end of Foundations of 3D Design, you'll have built a little town of your own and will have acquired the skills to design anything else your imagination can dream up. So if you're ready to step into a world that you create, click on the link below and let's begin your journey. This course would also make a great gift for someone in your life that is looking to get into 3D design or someone who just got their first 3D printer. There's an option in the checkout process to include it as a gift. The launch discount is only available during the month of January, so make sure to grab it while it lasts. Also, if you're a teacher, reach out to me about my educational license for schools. I've left a link below to my contact form. All right, I will see you in the next video.